Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unrestrict someone on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Messenger app. Now first let me show you how you can restrict someone. To do that, just open up a conversation with that user, then hit right here at their name, then scroll down to the very bottom and hit add restrict. Now this user is restricted and you can go back to your chats, and as you can see, the conversation with that user is not showing up anymore. So let me show you now the way how you can easily find the list of all your restricted users. So just tap right here at this three lines icon, then hit add gear icon, and then hit add privacy and safety. And on that step you can easily find restricted accounts. You can just tap on that to see the list of all the users that you have restricted, and then you can just tap at their names and right here hit add unrestrict. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.